Different backgrounds, different interests, different industries. Yet despite such vast differences, there is a common bond amongst all of us. We are the University of Florida Industrial and Systems Engineers.
ISEs are different from any other engineers because the ISE skill set is one that could be applied to almost any industry in almost any situation. And that's just something not afforded by any other engineering discipline.
I chose ISE because I believe that any problem you can encounter on this planet, technical, social, political, can be solved using engineering methodology. And I believe that ISE provides you the broadest range of engineering skills to use and has the widest range of career options in non-traditional engineering fields.
Hi, I first became an industrial engineer after transferring from North Carolina as a marketing major. I'd heard a lot about ergonomics and work design and marketing, and that really got me excited about industrial engineering. And from there I took some courses in industrial and learned all about the world of operations research, work design, and more into the ergonomic factors that go into workplace design. And I hope to pursue a career that's along those avenues.
I think I became an ISE when I was sitting in Intro to Civil Engineering. They were going over the curriculum for that major, and one class really stood out. It was concrete, just concrete. So that's what made me realize I needed to change my mind. That sounded pretty boring to me. So I looked over the ISE curriculum, saw a lot more math, statistics, things I would get really passionate about and really interested in. And that's when I went to Cynthia and changed my major.
I decided to be an industrial engineering major when I saw a video right before my freshman year, and everything that they were showing me looked exactly like what I had always been doing my entire life, just trying to make things more efficient, and I was so excited someone turned it into a career.
Well, I'd say that when I became an IE is when I started tying my shoes at the same time. That's kind of when I knew that efficiency was the way to go with my college choice.
I first became an ISE my senior year of high school when I worked at Walt Disney World in the food industry. My manager came up to me and asked me to pass out these little guest cards that would help operations understand the wait time better. All I was really thinking is, do people really use these things? 2 years later, I had no idea that I would be that industrial engineer using those cards to understand wait time and to increase guest satisfaction.
I came over to the ISE department here at Weill Hall, and I talked to the advisors here, and they told me about the program, and I talked to a few other students that I lived with that were involved with the program, and I realized that this is definitely something I'm interested in and something I could see myself doing for the rest of my life.
Stepping out into the real world as an industrial engineer, I couldn't be happier. I know that industrial engineers are needed everywhere, and the things that I've learned the past few years here at UF have been so valuable. And because of that, I know that I'm going to do great things in whatever industry I choose to work in.
Our ISE department is really unique in that we are such a tight-knit group of people. We've been able to develop both professionally and within the industrial engineering community. I know that after graduation, the alumni, my peers, and faculty will serve as a support network for me in industry. I'm excited to be part of this ISE family, and I know that there are great things in store for all of us.
The future of UF Industrial Engineers is in our demonstrated leadership and our passion towards our major. I see us going into the workplace and applying those skills that we've learned here towards our responsibilities. And I really believe that we as industrial and systems engineers from the University of Florida possess the knowledge and the passion to go out and really make a positive impact in the world.
We each have a story, and for the past 75 years, UF ISE has been adding to that tale with chapters of excellent academics, networking opportunities, IIE, Alpha Pi Mu, and even great football. For decades to come, the department and its students will continue these great traditions, and the future looks brighter than ever.
We are lean manufacturing.
We are quality control.
We are supply chain and logistics.
We are continuous process improvement.
We are operations research.
We are decision support systems.
We are classmates.
We are friends.
We are UF ISEs.
Go ISC Gators.